Welcome to ESCON Elevators, providing customized elevator solutions since 1990. With a age of 34 years of experience, today we serve all types of elevators and escalators. Today, we are here to provide you with information about ESCON ELEVIO automatic elevator. We are at the site, Kapil Construction. The project name is Bayview. It is located in the heart of Mumbai, near GST office. This is a high-rise building of 30 story. The number of stops provided is 31. An elevator which is provided with stainless mirror edge finish. The capacity of an elevator is 680 kg with 10 passengers. ESCON ELEVIO automatic elevator is provided with center opening. An elevator is equipped with a machine, a traction gearless elevator. Let us see what the customer has.
I am Sajid Mukarram, one of the partner of Kapil Construction company. We have completed a 30-story tower. The name of the building is Bayview. We have put a strong lift in that. Speed of the limit 2 meters per second is there. We got the satisfactory speed limit. We found AID system working satisfactorily. Found no just jumping and ride is very slow. Fuel announcement with soft music is appreciated by the users.
For more information, visit our website www.esconelevators.com.